Smart glass installs are exploding in demand, and right now, certified pros are needed to get the work done.
If you've got experience with glass or window tint, you can be our next certified installer. PDLC and Electrochromic installs take a specialized skill set, and clients want pros who can do it right.
Never worked with smart glass before? No worries, it's not that hard to learn. We'll train you, supply you, and get you earning fast.
Our program gives you product training, demo kits, and referral support so you can start quoting jobs with confidence.
You'll also get access to our installer resources, expert tech support, and yes, real leads in your region.
This isn't just a course, it's a partnership. Do great work, and we'll keep sending projects your way. The best installers can even become regional ambassadors.
This is a niche skill. Apply today and bring tomorrow's tech to your market now.
There's work waiting.
And it pays to be certified.